Hey, good morning. It's Monday, May 13th. So what's going on? Yesterday was Mother's Day. Ladies, did your best man treat you the way you wanted to be treated? And children, did you treat your mothers the way they should have been treated? Talking about parents and children, King Charles snubbed his own son, Harry. He won't see him. I have no words on that one. Artificial intelligence was a topic on Good Morning America last week, where they're saying almost 70% of jobs in just 6 years will be affected by artificial intelligence. Does that mean unemployment's going to go up because artificial intelligence is taking away jobs? Far-reaching consequences. And last week, President Biden was in Chicago. President Trump was in court. Which one? They're both in like a lion's den. Anyway, hey, let's get to today's topic. So, announcing, yes, the MLD Agency has added a new group insurance carrier to our inventory, Optimyl Benefits. And Optimyl Benefits works in conjunction with companies you already know, Cigna, Allied, and CVS. So there are three things that really attracted me to Optimyl Benefits. Number one is their claims fund account. At the end of the year, if money's left over in this account, it can be refunded back to the employer. Number two, they have a tremendous options in their insurance policies, so we can just about customize to anything that you want. And number three is they have a great PPO and EPO options for you. Of course, premiums are always the biggest concern up front. So, premiums. The way their policy works is you pay your premium, 40% goes into the claims fund account. That's where claims first dollars come out to pay claims. If you have a healthy group, you might not tap into that at all. But 40% of that premium goes to cover the claims fund account. Another 40% goes to cover the stop loss. That's after that. And 20%, because remember 40 is 80, 20% goes to the administration cost of the policy. In applying to Optimyl Benefits, it's a little bit different from traditional plans where just here's a form with your demographic information. Optimyl Benefit is going to ask health questions, because if you have a very healthy group, those rates can be very low. If you have a very unhealthy group, those rates can go up, or maybe even you'll be declined. So this is a company that really, if you believe your business is healthy, you want to give them a good look-see. Yeah, Mark, I want to do that. How do I do it? Well, right at the bottom of the screen, you can call Mark Dupre at 630-845-8678, or shoot me an email at mark.dupre@mldagencyinc.com, and we'll be happy to work with you. Hey, Mark, so what's going on at the MLD Agency? Well, if you remember in last week's video, I told you I was going to have to do jury duty, and it was the most... No, it wasn't. All that being said, in all honesty, I think it's an honor to be called to serve on a jury and to be part of our justice system. The other things that's going on at the MLD Agency is it's taken years, but all of my papers have now been scanned in and they're into our CRM, so it's all digitalized and there's no paper left to be concerned about. So that's what's going on in the MLD Agency. Until next week, I hope you have a wonderful week coming up.